so hello everyone, welcome. We're here with Wyckoff's outdoor community kitchen today, and I'm very happy to introduce some of our team. They're going to be sharing a wonderful recipe with all of you so that you can enjoy it on this wonderful warm summer. So why don't you guys go ahead and introduce yourselves.
How you doing? I'm Jerry D'Amico. I'm the executive chef for Wyckoff Heights Medical Center, and I've been here for precisely 6 months.
And I'm Caitlin Orlando. I'm one of the inpatient dietitians here at Wyckoff Heights Medical Center.
So, Chef Jerry, why don't you go ahead and tell us what we're going to be doing today?
All right, we're going to do something very convenient and healthy. It's called a whole grain quinoa shaker salad. So actually, we're going to be using a mason jar, utilizing a mason jar for this wonderful shaker salad that you can prep at home and take to work, because I know everybody's pretty busy. And we have certain ingredients that we're going to showcase today. We have quinoa, radish, feta, mint, celery, local strawberries, and some nice mesclun salad.
Great. So, Caitlin, why don't you share with us a little bit of the nutritional value of these ingredients?
Right, so I'm just highlighting 2 of the ingredients today. So our quinoa. So our quinoa provides a little bit of fiber and also protein. It's actually considered a complete protein because it has all the essential amino acids in it. Our strawberries. So we chose this menu basically because the strawberries are in season right now. So they provide vitamin C, vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, help prevent chronic illness, help with heart health, even has some folate that's beneficial for women who are pregnant, older folks as well. It's lower in sugar, so for diabetics, that would be like a choice of fruit. And you can buy it anywhere right now. It's seasonal, so they're very good right now, taste-wise.
What we have here is basically olive oil, balsamic vinegar, Dijon mustard, minced garlic, minced shallots, and some fresh thyme. Actually, I love to grow herb gardens in my house and stuff like that, and use them as per week and stuff like that per se. Especially I use the thyme into the marinated chicken, which is actually optional. So, if you're a vegetarian, you really don't have to use the chicken or the feta cheese. Alright, so let's start off with some olive oil. We're going to do that into a nice stainless steel bowl. If not, you could actually use one of your ceramic bowls. We're going to do our balsamic vinegar, just like that. We're going to add some of the shallots. Alright, we're going to do some fresh thyme, chopped thyme. I got these from the local farm, and some minced garlic. Now, everybody keeps saying, how's the dressing break? Well, olive oil and vinegar really don't bind together well, but if you want to bind it, you could actually put a little mustard in there to modify it. So now you just go like this. Dress it up really, whisk it really nice.
That's great.
And look at that.
Wonderful.
Better than Ken's vinaigrette.
Better than the store-bought.
Hell yeah.
Homemade.
Alright, so now we're going to open this up. And we're going to build a salad. So now, what I like to do, I like to layer. So you get some of the mesclun, put it in like that, in the jar. Get your quinoa. Try not to make a mess here, guys.
Messes are okay.
Well,
So as long as you're not the one that has to clean it.
always at home. Put some radish in there. Some strawberries. Some celery. Now, keep in mind, I'm doing feta cheese. Alright, like I said, once again, vegetarians, no feta cheese. Now, Do some chicken. Little julienne mince. And now we're going to start again.
Oh, nice. Okay. So for anyone that would like to substitute any of the ingredients, like some of the, let's say feta cheese for vegan cheese, or the chicken for like tofu, can they do that?
Absolutely.
Yeah, you can substitute for any of your preferences, whatever is in season, whatever you have in your fridge, whatever you have in your pantry. You need to get rid of something that's about to go bad. You can kind of substitute here and there, and
All right.
yeah, so basically
Cool.
the same, yeah. So you're not wasting any food. You're using all your food. It's fresh, it's clean, and you can have them for many days. You can make a bunch out of one time.
That was going to be my next question. Like, for how long can they stay in the fridge?
Oh, up to 3 days.
3 days? Okay.
3
great.
days. Now look at that.
Looks
Beautiful.
great. Love the color scheme. Looks awesome.
Now, what you could do with the dressing, you could also put this on the side in a little smaller container, and then if you're going to work or something like that and you're ready to eat, the reason why is because it won't wilt the salad. So now, I'm going to pour the dressing in there. Seal it up. And the reason why it's called a shaker salad is because you got to shake it.
Nice. Putting those bartender skills at work now?
There you go. Yeah, absolutely. Sometimes I do feel like a bartender. But there you go.
Awesome.
Now, I'll just take this out and show you guys what it's supposed to look like. And we're just going to put it in here for showcase.
I mean, I would love to eat it on the jar, obviously. But if you would like to put it on a plate, be my guest.
No, absolutely. But
Yeah,
I'm
you
just
can
saying, I
make it
just
black.
wanted to show you how it's supposed to come out.
Looks great. All right. Any tips? Anything else that we would like to share with our community regarding, our community kitchen? What do you guys think?
Oh, I think this is great, and like you said, you could substitute the celery for cucumbers, radishes. Also, watermelon radish is highly recommended as well. If you could get a hold on watermelon radish, quinoa, you could also use couscous.
Brown
It
rice,
depends
rice,
on
yeah, whatever
different
is
cheeses
first.
as well.
Okay, great. Well, guys, awesome. Thank you so much for being here with us today. Thank you. And see you next time. Thank you.
Okay.
Bye-bye.